7 Amazing Hair Care Benefits of Amla. A common reason for hair problems is a deficiency of vitamin C, which is found abundantly in amla. Amla, also called the Indian gooseberry, has a plethora of medicinal properties and has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for many years. If you are wondering if amla oil or amla juice is good for hair or skin, I think we need to tell you that this ingredient has been a part of Grandma's beauty treasure trove for centuries. The amazing medicinal and beauty benefits of this wonder drug was explored long back, and everyone swears by this ingredient. What are the benefits of amla? Top 7 benefits of using amla for hair. One of the best things you can do to cure hair loss is to massage your hair with amla oil. It also contains oodles of essential fatty acids, which strengthen hair follicles, giving your hair strength and luster. The surplus of vitamin C in amla can help halt premature graying. Not only is it a great hair conditioner but also an effective treatment for dandruff. If you want to enhance the natural color of your hair, all you have to do is mix amla powder with henna powder. One of the best remedies for a dry, flaky and itchy scalp is amla oil. It has the ability to penetrate the scalp deeply and nourish it from within. It also stimulates hair growth owing to its high iron and keratin content. How to use amla for hair health. Number 1 Amla oil massage for stronger hair. Warm the oil a bit and then get a scalp massage with it. Do this at least once a week. You can actually make amla oil at home. The following recipe is easy to follow and ensures that you get pure oil with all the benefits of amla intact. Remove the seeds from fresh amla. This can be made easier if you slightly steam it. Then dry the pieces of amla. Ensure that they are not kept under direct sunlight. Take coconut oil and add the dried amla pieces in it. Heat this mixture on low flame for 15 minutes. Remove any solid particles from the oil and store it in a cool, dark place. You can even add amla juice in coconut oil and follow the above-mentioned steps to make your own hair strengthening oil. Number 2 Make a hair strengthening pack using amla. Step 1. Make a smooth paste by mixing roughly 2 teaspoons of amla powder with warm water. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 teaspoons of yogurt to it. Mix well and apply on your hair. Step 3. Let it sit for half an hour before you wash it off with hot water. You can even make your own amla powder at home in just 4 easy steps. Take fresh amlas and remove the seeds from them. Dry them in sunlight and ensure no moisture is retained in them. Then take these pieces and blend them in a grinder. Ensure that you cut and blend amlas with stainless steel. Daily Moisture Repair Shampoo. Pantene Daily Moisture Repair Shampoo. 14. Keep hair looking healthy and shiny. Discover now. Number 3 Make an anti-dandruff pack using amla. Step 1. Mix 2 teaspoons each of shikakai and amla powder in a bowl. Step 2. To this mixture add some curd to form a paste. Step 3. Apply the resulting paste to your hair and let it be for 15 minutes before washing off with cold water and a mild shampoo. In the above recipe, you can add amla juice instead of powder as well. How to make amla juice at home. Blend fresh pieces of de-seeded amla with a glass of water. Filter the pulp using a muslin cloth and you will get fresh, pure amla juice as a result. You can use this juice as a hair tonic as well. Number 4 How to use amla juice as hair tonic. Easy amla juice hair massage. Apply fresh amla juice on the roots of your hair. In a circular motion, massage your scalp with this juice. After an hour, wash the tonic from your hair with a mild shampoo like Pantene Pro V Lively Clean Shampoo. You can use this hair tonic regularly for better hair health. Number 5 How to use amla juice as hair wash. Just along with the juice, take a few pieces of amla as well and boil them in water for half an hour. Cool this boiled mixture and filter out any solid particles. Use this concoction with your bath water while you wash your hair. Number 6 Amla for premature graying, white hair. Take equal amounts of amla juice and almond oil according to your needs, hair length. Mix the mixture well and apply it from roots to the tip. Massage it in a circular motion for some time and wash the next day with a mild shampoo. If you don't want to take so much trouble to make your hair tonic, hair wash or hair packs, you can always eat one amla daily. The benefits of eating amla daily include strong, lustrous hair, glowing clear skin and good immunity and digestion. It has enough vitamin C to help you in improving skin health along with hair health. Blood circulation is also improved with intake of amla.